In today's video, we are going to cover how to back up QuickBooks Online data. If you are already signed in to QuickBooks Online, begin by confirming that the correct company is selected before you continue. This matters because the export will pull reports and lists from the company that is currently open, so take a brief look and make sure you are in the right place. Once that is confirmed, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu where QuickBooks places account and company tools. Under the Tools section, select Export Data. That takes you to the Export Data page, which is where you choose the information you want to save outside of QuickBooks Online. On that page, open the Reports tab first. Here you will see the report options that are available for export. Turn on the reports you want included in your backup. The exact choices may vary, so select the ones that match the records you want to keep. This export is intended to save copies of supported reports, so take a moment to choose what you need before moving on. After that, open the List tab. In this section, choose the company list you want to export. Depending on the options available in your account, this can include items such as customers, suppliers or vendors, and employees. Select the list that should be included in your backup copy. If you rely on these lists for ongoing record keeping, this is the point where you decide what will be saved into the export files. Before starting the export, review everything you selected across both tabs. Look over the reports and the lists so you know the backup includes the information you intended to capture. This review helps avoid missing a report or exporting from the wrong company selection. When everything looks correct, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks Online will generate the selected data and prepare the download. If it takes a moment to process, wait for the files to finish downloading. Once the export is ready, save the downloaded files in the location where you keep your business backups so they are stored with your other records. It is also important to note that QuickBooks Online does not use the same local company file backup or QBB process used by QuickBooks Desktop. Instead, the Export Data option allows you to save copies of supported reports and company lists. That means this process creates exported files for your records rather than a full desktop-style backup file. Thanks for watching. Your selected QuickBooks Online reports and lists are now exported to Excel and saved with your business backups.